Hey guys, welcome back to Lineup. For today's video, we're going to show you Marvel Rivals DirectX 12 error. What do you do? So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So if you're getting the DirectX 12 error here, what can you actually do? Well, the first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that the game is up to date. So in this case, you want to go ahead and go to your Steam here if you're using Steam to play Marvel Rivals here, and you want to make sure that the game is up to date. So if you do see an update button here, make sure to click on it and just wait for the update to complete, and maybe restart your PC just to solve that problem. Now, another thing that you might want to do here is you might want to check the files for Marvel Rivals here. So you want to go to your library here, right click on it, and you want to go to properties. Then the properties, you want to go to install files, and you want to go and click on verify integrity of game files. Now, what it does is compare the files that you currently have on your PC with the files that is in their server. So if there are going to be some discrepancies, they will automatically fix that for you. Now, another thing you might want to do here is you want to make sure that your PC, or in this case your GPU, is up to date. So for your PC or your Windows, you want to go to the bottom left here, just type in update, choose check for updates, and in here you want to go to Windows Update and click on check for updates. And if you do see updates on it, you want to go and click on the update button here, just let it update automatically. Now once update installed, go ahead and start your PC and see if that solves the issue. Now, for updating your GPU, you want to open up the driver that you currently have. So if you have NVIDIA or AMD, you want to go open up the appropriate driver for that. So in my case, I'm using NVIDIA here. So you want to go to drivers, and you want to go and click on the download button that you see here. Now, in this case, games or GPUs actually adapt to the latest games that is going to be released. So that includes Marvel Rivals here, since Marvel Rivals is fairly new. So you want to go and make sure to install the update for them. Now, once you've done that, go ahead and start your PC and see if that solves the issue. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Lineup. Thank you for watching.